It's beautiful, as you can see. This time of year is the best time of year. You get all the fresh fruit, and you got Green Thumb Thursday with my Green Thumb boyfriend, Justin Rohner of Agriscaping Technologies. Nice to have you back on the show.
Hey, it's great to be here.
We're talking about the 5 fruit trees that you can get ready for your garden. Now, it sounds a little intimidating when you say you want to grow a fruit tree. It sounds like a big undertaking, but you make it very simple.
It's got to be simple. I mean,
Yeah.
And fruit trees are actually one of the easiest things you can grow in your garden that will produce for you year in and year out. I mean, that's the other cool part. You plant it once, you get it again and again and again.
And there's some good things that you can plant. You got apples, peaches,
That's right.
strawberries, and you got all these other different things, even plums, which I think might be a little bit of a challenge, but you can make it work.
You can make it work. And here in Arizona, these are the top 5 fruit trees that you can add to your garden. So the first one is the apple. We love the apple. There's a few different varieties. Not a lot of them are going to be really bright red. Those ones need a lot more chill hours. They grow up in the northern states. But what we're finding is that there's more and more. We've got about 30 different varieties that you can grow here in the Phoenix area.
Do we get the yellow colored apples?
Yes.
Is that what we get?
So the Dorset Golden and the Anna apple are one of our 2 best producers in the Phoenix area. They'll last for 30 years. The trees will continue to produce for you. And that's a great apple, but this is the time to prepare for it. It's not necessarily that you're going to go out and find the tree right now, but it's time to order them right now. So you can go to our site, to greenthumbthursday.com. You can actually get our year-round fruit calendars. You can see the exact varieties you want to be ordering now to then add into your garden in January. But peaches is another great one. We can grow peaches here. There's only a few varieties that work really well, and you'll get that on our list and the exact varieties to order. So you can go to, there's a few other things we'll send you online once you sign up and get that.
Yeah, it's good.
List. We'll send you where to find them. I know Greg Peterson, you guys have had him on a couple of times.
Yeah, he's good too.
Yeah, he's a great guy, and he's got on his site at, man, I'm forgetting the name of his site right now.
It's the Urban Farm.
Urban Farm. So urbanfarm.org. So urbanfarm.org. If you go to urbanfarm.org, you'll actually be able to see and be able to order some of these fruit trees right now that they'll be shipped in January, and then you'll be able to plant them at that time. So, but now's the time to order them, because that's where you get the best price.
Okay, get the best price.
And that's why I kind of brought these other trees. So this is kind of the sizes of trees. And when you order a tree,
they're not so big. They're pretty decent size.
Yeah, they're pretty decent size. But if you order a tree right now, and if you're getting it in a pot, it's going to be pretty darn expensive. You're going to be spending a whole lot of money. But if you go with the bare root fruit tree, this is kind of how they come. But they're not going to have all these roots cut off. So you can see how the roots are all cut off. But this is how you end up getting it in January, and this is how you plant them. But they're going to be that size when you get it. And so you get pretty much a $100 tree for under 50 bucks.
That's good.
And that's a real good deal, especially when you look at all the different fruit we have here. This is about $40 worth of fruit bought at the store. Now, $40 worth of fruit is just 1 pound of each of these different varieties. Okay. Now, if I take this same fruit and I look at I buy 1 tree for under 50 bucks, I get 50 pounds of fruit. So I get 10 times this amount of fruit.
Multiplied it over and over and over again. So that's the benefit.
10 times the amount of fruit by just buying 1 tree.
1 tree is so easy and simple. Go to agriscaping.com. You can go to greenthumbthursday.com. And you go to our website, too, if you missed any of this, at azdailymix.com. All right, Justin, you were fantastic. So much energy. I love it.